Today I am talking about Next Aware. By the manage Next Aware, if you own a compatible Google Next device, you can add a Next Aware subscription to save your recorded footage. You can choose the different plans to fit your needs the preference. Next Aware pricing. Next Aware pricing: US, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Sweden, Spain, Norway, and so on. The US, I am selected US. Next Aware monthly $6, Next Aware Plus monthly $12, Next Aware yearly $60, Next Aware Plus yearly $120. Next Aware $0 trials. Try a Next Aware 0 trials. When you set up the eligible device in either the Google Home app, the Next app, you can try a Next Aware subscription for 30 days. After the trial days, you can subscribe to Next Aware to continue using the subscription features. There is a limit for the $0 trial per home. Once you start the trial, you can't cancel it, but you can turn off camera recording and sound detection if you want. You can also delete the video history and sound detection events the app. To the eligible for $0 trials, your home must be in the country where Next Aware subscriptions are available for the purchases. Specific Next Aware features may vary and region and device. You will need to use a Google account when you sign up for the Next Aware, and during the trial period you will be able to get the more intelligent alerts, including specific alerts when the Next Aware Next camera detects family and unfamiliar face. In the United States, you can also get the alerts when the sound breaks, glass or a smoke alarm to detected by your Google account speakers and display. Not familiar face alerts are not available on the Next cameras used in the lineage and may not be available on certain Next cam in the EU. Create an active zone. To hide area you want your camera to keep close eye on, and Next custom alerts when it detects motion. Their activities zone do not require a Next or subscription and Next cam battery or Next doorbell battery. A Next Wear subscription is required to use active zone as Next camera indoor, Next camera outdoor, Next camera IQ indoor, Next camera IQ outdoor, Next camera doorbell wire, and Next Hub Max. Get 30 days for the event video history clips. If you already purchased the Next Aware subscription that included longer video history, you will able to continue to access the full video history that included with your subscription when your trial ends. Create the share video clips and time passes. Subscribe to Next Aware through the Next app. On the Android device, purchase Next Aware through the Next app. Second, to complete your Next Aware purchases, install the Google Home app. And third, from the Google Home app, follow the step in the subscription to the Next Aware. Important info the know before your purchase Next Aware. Sign in the Google Home app with the same Google account you see in the Next app. To find your account in the Next app, tap Setting Account. In the Google Home, select the home that you want to subscribe to Next Aware in the Google Home app. If you one home, the app selected home name, use the down arrow in Google Home and subscribe to Next Aware through the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your Android device. Tap your photo upper right corner your Google Home app to make sure that you are signed into with account you want to use the subscribe to next aware. Third, from the home view tab settings under fourth step under the features and the tab next aware. Fifth, tap subscribe. If you haven't previously used to next aware $0 trial, you will see option start 30 days 0 trial. After starting your 0 trials, you should not see option to subscribe to next aware. Choose your next aware plans. Choose between monthly or yearly billing. Review your purchase then tap subscribe. You will receive an email with a receipt from Google Play. You will manage your next aware subscription through the Play. Understand your subscription structure. Next aware first generation, next aware second generation. Separate subscription to each camera in your home in first generation. One subscription for all cameras in your home second generation. Billing cycle monthly and annual first generation. Billing or annual second generation. Billing account. If you start using the next app before August 19, 2019, if you create next account, it manage you next products. If you started using the next app after August 2019, you already using the account Google account in first generation and required Google accounts in second generation. Can you manage from next or home app in app management? Adding additional subscription. You can only end first generation subscription if you don't use Google account to sign into the next app, and you can continue to the renew access next generation first generation and subscribe to your use a Google account sign into next aware next app. Subscription are applied for home, not per device. If you like an additional subscription, please and other home under your account. And ability, your home need to be country that support next aware. You in first generation. Your home need to be in a country that support next aware second generation. Partner management. If you purchase next aware first generation through the one of our partners, their policy might be different from what you see the device. You should contact the partners from the details support your subscription in first generation. If you purchase next aware second generation one of our partners, their policy might be different from what you see in the articles. You should contact the partner your details about your subscriptions and so on. Add next how to add next aware is existing device. If you are home owner in the next app, you can add the next aware at home. Go to your subscription. Second step. Select the subscribe to next aware. Third step, choose a plan and select next. And fourth step, choose your payments methods. Select confirm purchases. Your subscription will start after 0 trials ends on or with 20 hours if your trials have already ended. How to choose next aware second generation? If you have new aware first generation subscription, you can choose the next aware second generation. When you choose, you get protected refund for the unused time from previous subscription. Before you cancel, change for subscription did through the following. If you migrate a Google accounts, you need to have at least one active subscription to the keep next aware first generation. If you cancel all your next account for generation subscription, you aren't able to sign up next aware for generation again, and you lose any video history wasn't saved and on the app. You can't add any additional next aware for generation. If you have migrated to Google accounts but you can switch to the next aware subscription that cover all cameras in your home or one low price. To switch to next aware second generation, make sure you have migrated to Google accounts. Turn off auto renew cancel current monthly plan about getting charged by the visiting store google.com/subscription page. Save the video history. Use the take out download for all photos or use the clip content facility on homenext.com to save clip. Click here to delete instruction. It may take a bit to generate the file depending on your much history is there. Go to your subscription. For subscription you would like update, select get start, choose plan, select next, choose plan, choose a billing cycle, select next. After you review checkout page, select confirm purchases. How to switch between the next aware base and next aware plus plans. To upgrade to the next aware plans, go to storegoogle.com/subscription. Select upgrade to next aware plus on tap 3 vertical dots icons next to the subscription and the select change your plans. Select next aware plus, click or tap next. Review a subscription and click the confirm purchases. Go to to downgrade the next aware plus and the next aware base plans. Go to storegoogle.com subscriptions. Next to the subscription, select the 3 vertical dots icon and select the change your plans. Select the next aware, click the next. Review and subscription and click or tap confirm purchases. Important points. Once you migrate your next account or to Google, you can't to purchases any new aware for generation subscription. You can't change your billing plans cycle or monthly to annual to from the annual to monthly. You can upgrade from the next aware second generation to next aware plus at any time. How to change your payment methods? You can change the card payment methods you use to pay your subscription. Go to your subscription. Second step, for the subscription you would like update, select change method payment method. Choose the payment method and select upgrade. Subscription renewal. Subscription renewal automatically renewal are billed to the your one file payment method every month and every year based on the billing cycle for the first selected. Cancel your subscription. Learn how to cancel your subscription through the Google Store or Google Play if purchased through the Google Home app. Thank you.